Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to charge 3.7 volt lithium ion battery or other cells of 3.7 volt with the charger of mobile which is of 5 volt. So more than demonstrating, I will try to explain how it works and what each step do. So let's start the video. First, this is my battery holder. You can see I have made it from cover of emergency light. So I have two leads coming out of cell. One is positive and one is negative. I haven't soldered the leads, just fit them in the case with the help of spring, as you can see. Then I have this 5 volt charger already plugged in and a USB cable which I have cut, and there were 4 wires, red, green, white and black. I have cut green and white and used them elsewhere. As you can see, I am already using green wire here and only red and black wire is plugged into this charger through USB port. So first you have to connect this diode which has number 4007. Now what does this do is this adapter outputs 5 volt. So 3.7 volt battery needs to be charged at 4.2 volt because 4.2 is the 100% charging voltage of this cell or this cell. So to cut down 5 volt to 4.2 volt, we have to use this diode 4007 which has around 0.6 to 0.7 volt voltage down. With the help of this, we can charge this phone. Now if I show you my setup with the help of multimeter, this is manual cutout, so I have to cut manually at the 4.2 volt or 4.15 volt so my battery don't get overcharged. So I will first show you. I have already put black wire, black lead of multimeter in battery holder. Now I will connect this and you can see it has 4.11 volt. Now this is my battery voltages. Now if I show you voltages coming out of my adapter, now this is, you can see red wire is connecting before. Now if I show you, it is showing 4.96. Now you can see this is negative of diode and this is positive, so we have to connect like this, negative side to the battery and positive side to the adapter. Now diodes work as current limiters, so it limits current to one phase. Now if we check voltage after diode, you can see 4.17 which is around 4.20, perfect for charging this battery. Now I haven't used any resistor in this circuit because my adapter is already outputting only 200 milliamperes. Now this battery needs to be charged at 10% of full capacity. Now for example, this cell although shows 7000 milliampere but it is around 2000 milliampere, so this cell needs to be charged at maximum 200 milliampere. If we charge with 1 ampere or more than 1 ampere, then it will damage the cell and it will not store the charging. For example, if we have charger like this, it outputs 5 volt 4 ampere, or this, it outputs 5 volt 2 ampere. Then we have to use resistors. For resistors value, you can check Ohm's law and then calculate resistor value. First you have to calculate the capacity of maximum charging. Like if you have 2500 or 3000 milliampere battery, then you need maximum 300 milliampere charger. For resistor, you can then calculate values based on Ohm's law, which is I is equals to V divided by R. You can put I is equals to 300 milliampere and V is equals to 4.2 volt. Then you will have value of R, which is resistance. Then you can use resistor on this black lead, so this will lower the voltages and your resistor will lower the current. So you will have perfect circuit to charge these 3.7 volt batteries. Now I am, as you can see, have put these multimeter leads in the circuit so I can monitor the voltages after some time. As you can see, it is almost 4.12 volt. I will shut down it around 5.1 volt, or I can even leave them because you can see my diode is outputting 4.17 volt, so it will go to trickle charge at 4.17 and it will keep charging a small amount of current. So I can leave it there for 1 day 2 days, it won't be a problem. But if I have to use it, I can use it at 4.15 4.16 volt. It will almost have 100% charging. So this was the video. If you like the video, like this, subscribe my channel and share with your friends.